In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see archived deals in Freshsales. If you're using Freshsales as your CRM platform, you know how crucial it is to keep track of your deals, whether they're ongoing or archived. Today, we'll dive into the steps needed to locate those archived deals efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to navigate your way through Freshsales with ease and confidence. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser that you typically use. Once open, go ahead and search for Freshsales. You'll find the official Freshsales website at the top of your search results. Click on it to navigate to their homepage. Now, on the Freshsales homepage, you'll see a login option, usually towards the top right corner. Click on this link and enter your login credentials. If this is your first time or you don't happen to remember your details, you might need to reset your password. Just follow the prompts, and you should be logged in shortly. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Freshsales dashboard, which acts as your control center. With the dashboard in front of you, look for the menu on the left-hand side. Here you'll find various modules, each dedicated to a different aspect of sales management. What we're interested in today is the Deals module, which is typically represented by an icon resembling a handshake or something similar. Click on this icon, and you'll enter the Deals module, where all your sales opportunities are displayed. Now that you've accessed the Deals module, let's focus on finding the archived deals. In Freshsales, archived deals are often referred to as those with a lost status. To pinpoint these deals, you'll need to apply a filter. Near the top of the Deals module, there's usually an option to filter your current view. Click on this filter option, and a drop-down menu or sidebar will appear. From the list of filters, look for the Status or Deal Status option. Once you find it, click to expand it. As you expand the status options, you should see a variety of deal statuses that you can choose from, including 1, Open, and importantly, Lost. Click on Lost. By selecting this status, your view will now filter, showing only those deals categorized as lost, hence archived. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Freshsales to find your archived deals. This method is a handy way to review past deals and analyze trends or areas for improvement in your sales strategy. Remember, keeping track of your lost deals isn't only about identifying what didn't work. It's a strategic step in refining and enhancing your overall sales process. We hope you found this guide on accessing archived deals in Freshsales helpful. Happy selling, and may your future deals all be successes.